So now I will fix my circle. So I have to need it for because it's almost my school year and grade 2. So now I'm fixing my table. So when I have assignment, yeah, I will use my table. So yeah, I'm fixing it. So I have many books to have a draw. So I have 4 of them. I have 1 more. So yeah. So this is my tablet. I will put my tablet. This is low bat.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nice ko po table ko.
Tutulog na tayo ha.
So this is my school supplies and this is my makeup kit. I have many school supplies. You guys think that this is pencil, but this is this is an ball pen. So I have 2 ball pens and the one bag, the color brown bag, I give it to Mama. Because I have plenty of bags. I need this. So I made some ruler. Nice ruler. I made it. That ruler. So I have 2 stylus pens. This green for my tablet and pink for my phone. So that is all. Comment for part 2.